Court proceedings involving Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, the 28-year-old son of late former President Robert Mugabe, were delayed again after a power failure disrupted operations at the Alexandra Magistrates Court in Johannesburg. Sarapita mashkobranyi kwachinzi no bell for Chatunga. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna munamubranyi kwamchinzi. Chatunga Mugabe appeared briefly in court on Thursday alongside his co-accused Tobias Mugabe Matonodze. However, the hearing could not continue due to the electricity outage, forcing the magistrate to postpone the matter. The case has now been rescheduled for 11 March 2026, when the two women are expected to formally apply for bail. Prosecutors have charged the pair with attempted murder, defeating the ends of justice, and unlawful possession of a firearm. Authorities have indicated that additional charges may also be introduced, including pointing a firearm and violating provision of the Immigration Act. The allegations stem from an incident that reportedly occurred on 19 February at the Mugabe family's residence in Hyde Park, Johannesburg. According to investigators, a 23-year-old gardener believed to be employed at the property was shot in the back during the confrontation and suffered injuries. The matter remains under investigation as prosecutors prepare to proceed with the case at the next court appearance. Toma developments ari pomre Zimbabwe. Panagoma section methods of fungro any more to deep on 0 page to each. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.